Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. So let's start. First, open your Monday.com account. And here, go to your workspace, then click on Integration section. From here, make sure that you are in the Integration Center. Then scroll down and select Google Calendar. In this page, you can see three options that will grant Monday.com access to your Google Calendar account. Here, I'm going to choose this second option. When a person is assigned to someone, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. Now, connect your Google Calendar account by clicking this connect button. Here, choose your account, then just scroll down and click continue to proceed. Here, click on person, then next click on someone, and choose who you want to assign. For example, I will choose my account. After that, click on event. In this window, enter what type of event you want to create. Add the start time, end time, title, description, and location. After that, tap on done. And as you can see here, Google Calendar is now integrated with Monday.com, and you can toggle this on and off anytime you want. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.